Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect WordPress to IONOS. Installing WordPress on IONOS isn't just about setting it up, it's about launching the system that will run your entire website. You're installing WordPress on your hosting. IONOS is the server while WordPress is the software. First, go to your account and sign in. You'll land on your main dashboard. At the top right, click Add Product. Then scroll under Websites and Shops. Click on Manage Hosting for WordPress. This option installs WordPress automatically for you. No manual setup needed and has an optimized environment. You'll typically see a single plan. IONOS simplifies the setup so beginners don't get overwhelmed. You may see extra add-ons such as Site Scan and Repair, which helps for security, Site Analytics Plus, which helps for traffic insights, Domain Guard, which is used for domain protection, and Bagway, AI Receptionist Flex, which is used for automation. These are optional, skip them unless you actually need them. Then check the agreement box. Finally, tap Order Now. IONOS will automatically install WordPress, configure your hosting, and prepare your website environment. What you'll receive: WordPress login link, admin username and password. Use your credentials to access your site. What you can do next: choose a theme, add pages, install plugins, and customize your website. Your WordPress site is now live. To summarize, installing WordPress on IONOS involves logging in, adding the WordPress hosting product, selecting the plan, optionally skipping add-ons, completing the order, and letting IONOS automatically install WordPress for you. After that, you access the WordPress dashboard and begin building your website. And that's how to install WordPress on IONOS. This is where your website actually begins. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.